This video explains how to use the television at Evergreen House in the lounge. So you'll find you have remote control. So turn on the television, just push the red button. That'll start up the television.
It's one-way traffic, it's Brighton on the constant.
So what we have here is we have Freeview. To get to the main television, just push the home button and you'll see the screen. To see what's on, just push the guide button here and the guide will come up. And then from this guide, you can just select using the up and down arrow keys which channel you would like to watch, and then you push the OK button, which is in the middle. To exit this, just push the exit button. Now, we do provide Netflix along with your stay. To access Netflix, just push the Netflix button here, and that will start up Netflix. You're then free to watch whatever you wish, and then you just push the OK button here. To turn off the television, you push the red button. To get out of Netflix, just push the exit button, and that will take back to the main Freeview channels. And that's how to use the television in the lounge. Thank you.